In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Rainbow Six Mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, by far, this is super easy to go ahead and do. And really all you need to do is open up your device's App Store or Google Play Store if you're on like an Android or a Samsung, and from here you can go ahead and download it. To break it down even further, I'm currently demonstrating this here on an iPhone, but it's going to work the exact same way on like an Android. Start off on your home screen right here and go ahead and open up your App Store or Google Play Store. I'm opening up the App Store right here. And then from here, go ahead and hit the little search bar down at the very bottom and search for Rainbow Six or Rainbow Six Siege. Open that up, and then the second option, because the first option is always an ad for whatever reason, is going to be your app that you want to download. So select that. This is the official app page right here. It's completely free. You don't have to worry about paying for anything. And essentially, all you have to go ahead and do is hit install or download, where mine currently says open, and then it will start downloading. And from here, you can open up the game itself, or you can open it through the home screen, and then just log in with an Ubisoft account, create an account, do whatever you got to do, and then of course play that tutorial and you can start playing the game. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.